Okay, what is up with my hair? Who knows? We're just gonna roll with it. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this makeup look. It's kind of like my everyday makeup at the moment. The eyeshadow looks a lot more intense on the camera. I'm not really sure why that is, but I can promise you it's not like this vibrant, as I tend to just go for something very natural every day for my makeup. But yeah, I just thought, you know, I've got all this time, why don't I just sit here and film me doing it? And also at the moment it's not very easy to obviously upload study and revision related videos as I'm not at school, so I thought I would mix it up a bit on this channel over the summer especially, and just do something different, like showing you how I achieve my makeup. So if you would like to see more videos like this, like little get ready with me's and things like that, then let me know down below. But without further ado, I'm going to show you how I achieved this everyday makeup look. hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave it a massive thumbs up, and if you're new around here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you have any other video suggestions that I can film over this long summer holiday I have, then please let me know as well in the comment section. And yes, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!